Hi everyone, thank you for watching Daytime York Region. It's Tuesday, February 2nd, and I'm Jacqueline Betterton. Today on the show, we are very pleased to welcome Body Works Center, and we will be showing a cupping demonstration. We also have Una right here with Youth Speak. We're talking about their upcoming gala. We'll also tell you about Recipe for Change, an upcoming ice fishing derby on Lake Simcoe, and at the end of the show, we have an amazing performance right here on Daytime. All that today on the show. Hi everybody, welcome back to Daytime. Today we are talking with Karen Giesche-Duncan. She is an RMT and the owner of Body Works Center. Thank you for coming in today, Karen.
I'm so excited to be here. Thank you for having us.
We're excited to have you here because, believe it or not, in 12 years of doing this show, we've never seen a cupping demonstration.
Well, today's the day.
So today's the day. Before we get started, and thank you to your lovely son who has joined us today as your model, tell us about what cupping is and really the benefits to the body.
Absolutely. So basically, cupping is the opposite of what we traditionally do in massage. So traditionally, you're compressing tissue to make it better, which works. It's worked for thousands of years, but the cups do the opposite. They lift tissue to make it better.
Okay. And how do you lift the tissue?
So we use vacuum therapies, but there's all different ways of doing it. There's fire cupping, which is more in the Chinese medicine realm, and we use meta cupping. So there's a vacuum and a handheld gun that we use to provide the suction.
Okay. And this is really what is the vacuum, right? This machine?
Yep, this is the MC600. Wow. It's very fancy. It is the cupping machine that provides suction. We can adjust it. We can do all kinds of things with it. Primarily, we use it for muscle ache and pain, acute and chronic muscle conditions, and then the gun to park the cups.
Okay. Without further ado, let's see how this works.
Absolutely. So a lot of people think that there's no hands with cupping. There is hands. Can you just relax your arms to the side there a little bit? Thank you, Mr.
And obviously
Patient.
it's safe for all ages.
Absolutely. We use cupping on all ages, even babies. I've done it on sinuses and gastrointestinal issues.
Wow. So it can really help all kinds of ailments that you may be having in the body.
Absolutely. My hands are going to be cold, little one. Sorry.
You're his mom. That's okay.
It's every day my clients know my hands are cold. It's warm heart, cold hands. It's okay. So we do use hands, a mixture of hands and cups. The massage cupping machine is a little bit loud.
That's okay.
So we're going to have a little bit of noise with that. And then the cupping that we do with the gun is really, really silent. So you won't hear anything with those.
So are you just prepping the skin so that suction will stay?
Absolutely. So poor monkey's got shivers everywhere. So normally we like to give everybody the red carpet service, and we have heating pads and this amazing body cushion system that he's laying on. He did get to bring today because it makes it much more comfortable to lay on than a traditional massage table. It's got cutouts for the girls' chest and for the guys.
Oh, wow.
And everybody's
taken care of.
A lot more comfortable. So yeah, just using the glass cups, we just glide and it provides suction. I always explain to people that it's going to feel a little weird if they've never had it done before.
Interesting. I always thought it was just placing one cup on the skin.
Yes, so
but you're moving the cups.
In Chinese cupping, they do just park on the skin. In massage cupping, we have a lot more ability to play with the cups because we can adjust the suction.
Wow.
And you'll see right away, I don't know how close up you can get to this, but he has some nice red coming up on his skin right now. We want that. That's blood circulation.
Okay.
And that's one of the reasons. Is it too tight? You just have to tell me, hun. That's one of the reasons why this works so fabulously is it provides so much circulation really, really quickly as opposed to our hands. You know, my hands are cold. They take a while to warm up.
Right.
Then I got to warm up the body. Yeah,
so
it
this
warms
instantly
up.
gets the blood moving to the areas we want it to.
Yeah, and he's a little bit ticklish, so we have to watch out for that.
Oh my goodness.
Sometimes kids are ticklish. Sometimes adults are too.
But the nice thing is this can be beneficial to anybody. And what kind of ailments can this really help with?
I would say the one market that is not being helped by alternative healthcare right now is probably lymphedema.
Okay.
So when people have swelling, chronic swelling, they don't know what to do with it. It's you know, chronically staying stuck. Is that too tight? Yeah, okay.
Oh, wow,
So
this is interesting.
We also like to get lots of feedback from our clients. Is that
Wow,
better?
look at the skin there under that cup.
Is that better, Zach? Yeah. Okay, thank you for
So
the
what-
feedback. Oh, and sometimes they pop off. When the skin is really compromised, sometimes they pop up.
And so what is that doing? That's more of like a spot treatment?
The big one? Yeah. Okay, we'll switch those around.
There we go.
So what I'm doing right now is just generally loosening everything up. He's
Okay.
really tight. He hasn't had a treatment in a while.
Interesting.
He has been traveling, this little monkey.
Now, I've seen this done on all kinds of celebrities because you see the marks on their back. Is
You
this
do.
just a trend, or is this really something that you think is, you know, part of any kind of treatment?
I will tell you that if you had told me 4 years ago when I found this that my entire practice would change, I would have said something nasty like,
Yeah,
you must be lying.
but it has
But
changed things.
95% of my clients prefer cupping because it
Wow.
works better, lasts long, and doesn't hurt, even though it can be a little bit of an adjustment trying
Where
to
are
get
you
everything.
located, Karen, for the special VIP treatment?
436 Queen Street. It's
Okay.
right at the corner of Queen and Main in Newmarket.
Wonderful. And of
Yes.
course, on the website, it's a wealth of information. You can check it out there, guys. It's bodyworkcenter.ca. Good job, little man. There, I bet he's feeling good now. We'll take a short break. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
And at the end of the show, we have an amazing giveaway from Bodywork Center.